Hi, monkey.
Hi.
You making money?
Mm-hmm.
Every day, logging the money into this silly iPad. You're doing good though, right? Over 5,000 in the baby account. So you unlock it, roll it forward, and see if I can do this. Nope. And bam! Stroller's ready. So you got your stroller, and baby sits in there, and then say you're going for a walk, right? You want to listen to some music. Take your iPod, open this up, and then you press play. Walking along, listening to music. We just woke up. It's like 7 in the morning and we can't sleep. Megan's too pregnant and I'm too hungry. And so I'm gonna cook some breakfast and we're gonna hang out. And maybe go back to sleep later. It's cold.
Oh, the camera's probably gonna be shaky.
Because you're shaking from the cold?
Yeah.
Look at that crib, huh? It looks good. Hi, Megan.
Hi.
You ready to have a baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
Motion problems. You weren't even smiling.
You've seen better pictures.
A
Maybe
smile.
Was that a smile?
No. No.
Yeah,
Oh,
people
really,
Steal my
Mr.
spirit.
Shit
You're
Talker?
gonna get.
Sexual harassment right there. Do it again. Say it again.
You're in the.
I'm just kidding. I shouldn't joke about that.
It's awesome.
You were my senora, and you left me for a bullfighter. And in November, you left me for a bullfighter. And I said, oh, mama. I don't know. Hey, little Aiden, it's your dad, Dylan. Your mom's filming. This is the first
Hi, Aiden.
clip recording on the new camera that we bought just so that we could get you on tape. We're gonna record when you poop, we'll record when you cry.
Maybe not when you poop.
It's gonna be a horror movie. We're just breaking into the genre of horror.
It'll be a comedy romance.
Yes, / horror movie. It's never been done. We're just
We're testing it out for you.
Making a new market. I mean, we love you so much. We can't wait for you to get here. House is all ready. Mom's been really, really good, making the house really ready. Can't wait for you to see it.
We're gonna go buy you a car seat tomorrow.
Yeah, and a stroller, and a bath, and
a bath, yes.
milk pumps.
Yes. So Mom can feed you.
$20,000 worth of toys for you. Yeah.
And then in 20 years, we'll spend $20,000 on college, but it'll
between-
all be worth it.
Between those 2 times, you get nothing.
Exactly.
You get nothing. You get the
You have
milk
to
pump.
work.
You
You
get
have-
college.
And then you work in between to pay for those
You think
things.
peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are free? I don't think so.